Welcome to our enlightening video on transforming your accounting practices using the innovative power of ChatGPT. In this module, we're zeroing in on how to craft a bespoke chart of accounts for new clients, making it perfectly suitable for cloud-based accounting platforms like QuickBooks Online or Xero. This exploration delves into the ways ChatGPT accelerates and streamlines this process, ensuring it's not only faster, but also meticulously tailored to meet the unique requirements of your clients. ChatGPT stands out as a sophisticated AI language model, proficient in aiding with a variety of accounting tasks, most notably in the crafting of the chart of accounts. Its effectiveness hinges on your ability to interact with it efficiently, and by mastering this, you unlock its immense potential to not only save valuable time, but also to provide customized, client centric solutions. The crux of leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities lies in the art of crafting your prompts. The precision and structure of your prompt can significantly influence the accuracy and relevance of the responses you receive. Let's dissect a sample prompt to glean a deeper understanding of this concept. Consider this example. Could you generate a table representing a chart of accounts specific to a law firm trading as a limited liability corporation based in USA? This specific construction of the prompt is critical as it ensures the output is in a table format, which is quintessential for seamlessly incorporating the data into cloud accounting systems. It's crucial to note how the prompt intricately defines the business type, entity type, and geographical location. In our illustrative scenario, we are focusing on an online training business that employs external trainers based in the US and functioning as a sole proprietorship. Customizing these parameters guarantees that the generated chart of account is not only applicable but also exquisitely aligned with the business model of your choosing. A pivotal aspect of this process is ensuring that the output is compatible with your specific accounting system. In our narrative, we are requesting an output format congruent with QuickBooks Online, encompassing all necessary account types and detail type categories. This, however, can be modified to align with other systems like Xero, depending on your needs. When you put forth your prompt to ChatGPT, it responds by generating a comprehensive table of accounts. The table is designed to capture the typical accounts necessary for managing the financial aspects of a law firm, structured as an LLC. Assets include both the operating and trust accounts necessary for managing client funds separately from the firm's funds. Income accounts differentiate between various sources of revenue, which is crucial for understanding profitability and compliance with legal accounting standards. Expenses are broken down into categories that reflect significant operating costs for law firms. Think of salaries, professional fees, and office maintenance. This is an impressive demonstration of how comprehensively and accurately ChatGPT addresses the instructions provided in our prompt. It is imperative at this juncture to engage your professional acumen to review and assess this output. Although AI serves as a robust foundation, it is definitely not without its limitations, and it requires you to ensure precision and accuracy. As we wrap up this module, it's evident that effectively communicating with ChatGPT to create a chart of accounts is a skill that can vastly enhance your accounting workflow. Our upcoming module will dive deeper, exploring how to analyze, refine, and practically implement this chart of accounts into your accounting routine. We look forward to providing you with further insights and demonstrating how AI can become an invaluable asset in your accounting toolkit, enhancing your efficiency and effectiveness in this ever evolving field. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the dynamic and transformative world of AI in accounting, offering you the tools and knowledge to stay ahead in the digital age.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.